Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Codes, and this is Khushba. So today we are going to learn how to create a simple calculator in the Flutter app. So just open your project and we will simply remove the code. Now in Flutter app, all the UI is basically the combination of different widgets, rows, column. Okay, so we will take a row, children, and we will take a column. Okay, so in this column we'll take another row, children, and in this what we are gonna do, we will take two text field, text form field, and there is another text form field. We'll run it. Okay, so we have run it and it's giving error to us. We'll remove this row. I don't think so. So we will remove this row widget and wrap it in the flexible widget. And here is our text field, but as you can see, we haven't give any decoration to it and there is no space. So to add some space, we will simply do size box and width. It should be 10, and as I have told you that you have to end every bracket or every widget with the comma. So just run it again, and yes, you can see there are two text fields. We will do some decoration. So there is decoration and input decoration. There I need some border. Yes, we have border. What it takes a border. The border take underline input border. I want outline input border, so we'll just do, I need outline input border. Now you can see the difference. Look, it is outline input border. I just want some size box, height 10. Now you can see there is some space. You can simply use the padding, and we will add the const keyword to remove this warning. Okay, so what it takes, it has border radius, dot all, radius dot circular, and I need 20. And now you can see the corners are round. And so what we are gonna do, if you want to customize it, you have to just, not here, you have to come here, enable border, outline input border, and we have, we'll say border side, border radius. Okay, if you want to style it, we have to just double dot zip and we will run it. Now you can see it has changed the width. If you want to make it circular, as we have enabled it, so you have to paste it here, then it will be circular. If you want to change the color, you can. There it is, yeah, it's here. We have colors dot yellow. You can see it's yellow, but we want to make it more visible, so we will just take a blue. Okay, so now you can see it's a blue, and this was our decoration of a border. Okay, yes, one thing more, formatter. So we will write here filtering input text formatter. Okay, why it's giving, okay, yeah, it's filtering text input formatter. Yeah, we have, you can use digit only. Yes, I want digit only. Okay, so it will take only digits. Now we want to give some labels and some we want to do some more decoration, so we will add label text, what it should be, what it takes simple string. So enter value, and in hint we want, do we have hint? Yes, we have. In hint we want some value, like it should be 0. Now you can see it is enter value, and when you click, it's giving you a default some value. Now we have formatted our one text field. We want to apply the same designing, same decoration on the other text form, so simply copy and paste it here. So if you want to validate the form, so it's taking too much time, what we are going to do, we will do the validation for our form. Just wrap it with a widget name form, and here we will declare a variable. So we will declare a final, and underscore form key equal to global key, and form state. So this is our key for the form. We will copy, and here it takes a key, we will simply paste it. Okay, our project has been run. Now we want to apply some validation on it, but before that, what we are gonna do, we will add another text field down here. We'll just simply copy it, not that, we'll copy this and paste it here. Where is the error? Yeah, we forgot the semicolon, and we will run it. Now you can see this is here. Okay, our third text field. Okay, now we want to do some formatting, so just wrap it with the padding. Now you can see this is our third, and it will give some result. Okay, and we will add a button, elevated button, elevated button. Okay, on press, and we will take a child text, add, we want to take another value, button, it will subtract. Okay, add const keyword. Okay, now you can see, but we should add a row for this, so it will look better if we add these two buttons in the row. Now you can see, yeah, we will add expanded and expanded, and there should be a bit padding. Now you can see it's looking better. This is our simple form, and we will just change the title name. It should be calculator. Yeah, now it's okay. What we are gonna do, for example, we add some value, it will not take the alphabets, it only takes the integer, but it looks weird when we click on this and it gives us that one keyboard. So for this, what we are gonna do, we will come to our code, to our text field, and here we will keyboard type text input type dot number. So now you can see when we will click on it, now you can see it has been changed. We have changed it, so we'll also paste this here. Okay, so this is our two text fields in which the user is gonna enter value 1 and enter value 2. Okay, so if you want to access the text inside these text form field, we need a controller. So for controller, what we are gonna do is write text editing controller value 1 controller equal to text editing controller, and just simply copy this and paste 2 times, because we have three text form fields, so this is for 2 and this is result controller. Come here, and there must be controller value 1 controller. Okay, this is our value to controller, and this is our result controller. So we have added our controller, and in this on pressed, what we want to do, we will add set state, and in this set state we will result controller dot text equal to value 1 controller plus. Okay, so as you can see that this is a text, you cannot add a text into a text. For this, what we are gonna do, we will convert this into integer. Int dot parse, it will convert our text to integer, plus int dot parse value to controller. For this we have to just take int because it's taking the result, and what we are gonna do, we will simply cut it and paste it here. Dot text, and we will assign this here. So if you want to convert the int into string, so you just have to write to string. Okay, so in this, now you can see when we will click here, we will write 1 and 2 and then add, and you can see it's 3. But what if I just leave it like this and click add button? So you can see it's giving us error because we have not restricted our user to fill the text form, to fill the text field. So to restrict our user, what we are gonna do, we'll come here and we will use validator, and in this validator there's a value, and it will check if value dot is empty or value dot is equal to null. So now you can see it's giving the error, so we'll just apply this condition and it will return a message to the user that enter the value. We'll just simply copy it, and we have added it in a wrong text form field, so we'll copy this, cut this, and we'll paste it here. Okay, so now we will run our project. For example, if we want to add it now, oh yeah, we have not added, we have not applied the check, or we are not validating the form on the click button. So coming to click button, what we are going to do, on press there should be a validator. If so, for this what we are going to do, if underscore form key dot current state validate, so just simply do this. Okay, now we'll run our project and we'll click on the add button, and it's giving us error that kindly fill this text field. So we will just add 4, and this is our 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. But the issue is that we can just simply do some changes in it, which is not a good thing. Okay, so to restrict the user not to do changes in the result text form field, what we are gonna do, we'll write read only true. Now the user cannot do entry in this. I'm clicking it, but it's not nothing is gonna happen. Now coming to the subtract, we'll simply copy this. We'll simply copy this and come here and paste it here. We have not copied the validation. Yes, now we'll come here and paste it here. As we know that this is about subtraction, so we will subtract it. We'll load it, and coming here, when you click on this, it's gonna subtract it. For example, we want to subtract from 8, subtract, it's 6. If you want to add, so it's 10. Now this was our simple calculator. So if you have any question related to this lecture, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.